How to convert Rev points to money on Revolut. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can quickly convert your Rev points to real money using the Revolut app. Now let's get started. Just have to open your Revolut app on your phone and tap on the Lifestyle or Rewards tab. This is where your Rev points are stored. To view your points balance, you just have to tap on Rev points and automatically your balance will be shown on the uppermost part of your phone, like right here. Now you just have to scroll and look for the convert your cash or redeem for money option, and then you just have to tap it. Next up, you just have to enter the number of points you want to convert. Revolut will show you the equivalent value in your currency, like 1,000 points equivalents to 100 pesos or similar like that. It depends on the currency you want to choose. Next up, you just have to tap on confirm to convert the points. The money will now be added to your main Revolut account balance, ready to use instantly. And that's it. You just turned your Rev points into cash in under a minute. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.